I should collect this boy. So I told so many very beautiful, sweet pastimes of Krishna, and very easily I took his heart. And then I took it my pocket forever. But he never knew this. Now I gave some sweet prasadam and sweet Harikatha. He began to come daily after his class. After Navadvip Parikrama, I was coming to Mathura. He began to weep. What should I do? I told that don't be worried. You should be in home. You should study. And after your finishing study, he is the youngest brother of Premanand. And then I told him, don't be hurry, like Raghunath Das Goswami. Who told? Mahaprabhu told, you should return back. Ghare jao. Nahao Batul. I told. He began to come here. But he knew anyhow, secretly, that on this very day I am going to Mathura from Habara railway station by Tufan Express. Secretly, I never knew. And anyhow, that very moment when I was railway station entering in my compartment, at once he appeared there. I told that why you came? You should return back at once to your home. And he began to cry. Weeping. I told that we have no ticket, nothing, how you will go? But he began to weep. At once, I told anyone that, I consoled him, but he is not hearing anything. He had decided to go. Especially, I told him so many things, that you should return back to your father, mother. They will cry because only you are the eldest son and very qualified. They are, at that time they were very small boys. Then anyhow he could not return, and then I managed any ticket for anyhow, and he went. And he never returned so many years. They were weeping. Then when once I came, anyhow trickily I took him, brought him, and he came to Navadvip. You know how he is serving? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Radha, Krishna and me, totally surrender, not like others. If anyone wants to serve his Gurudev, you should try to learn something from Premananda. How he is serving. Myself, giving everything on his head, all responsibilities. In Mathura and Vrindavan, Govardhan, here, 3-4 months, I give all the responsibility on him. And he completely looks after, and he is qualified. So if he will follow Premananda character, his bhakti, his shraddha, his service to Gurudev, then you can be also a Vaishnava. I know very personally to him so much. There are other sannyasis and brahmachari, but they don't follow. They don't serve their Gurudev like him. They have no responsibility at all. No responsibility. A person without responsibility, oh, he is animal. An animal, what animal?
Donkey. Donkey.
Donkey, dog, and others. Without tail and horn. Those when no responsibility. Try to have some responsibility of your life. And that responsibility what? What my Gurudev wants. For that I can take my life in my hand. Then you can serve. Otherwise never. Try to realize your responsibility, whether in house, whether in renounce order.